Just take the TV, they're not gonna come. I woke up in the morning and I decided to make a dress. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm so bad. This is very long. And I'm not impressed by the dress. Actually, it's kind of my size, but it's ugly. I'm in my journey of making feminine dresses, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm fine. I'm good, I'm good. It has a very nice... Also the thing, it's just gonna go to the garbage. I'm not gonna do anything with it, because who the hell has time for that? Not me. I need to work on, like, this thing. This is like in the chest. I don't know, whatever. I have the chest itself, it's like more fabric. It's a pretty nice color though. Oh, okay. Got me stressing. I ain't stressing about the dress anymore. Wow, that's so cute. Okay, we have a big piece of fabric right here. I'm gonna definitely need this. You have your own socks, Mommy. Crash now, right now. It's valid, baby. Oh. Well, we got most of it taken down. By down, you know what I mean, right? I'm not gonna waste more time on it. I'm just gonna use the scissors. I'm not crashing out. I'm fine. Do I have a design? No, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, this is acting fool. Nothing can beat me, and nothing can beat me. It's just fabric, okay? Don't stress out. Use the scissors. I don't think 1 centimeter is gonna make difference though, right? No. Oh, we have 2 more pieces. Look, this thing is big. This thing. Pretty little baby with you.
The bluebirds, these are the bluebirds with the baby. I'm so want you.
I think this is a reasonable
Mom, this is
length for a dress. Ah, my baby's trying to grab the phone. What are you doing, bro? I can't get mad at them. They want to be with me. I want to be with me. I'm their mom. Mamacita. Oh my gosh, what are you doing, bro? Give me that. No! Remember, this train was in the charger for 3 days. I forgot about it.
You can practice catching a ball.
No, I like to play hide and seek at the playground. It's also fun to play tag. If you have to play games, you can say, do you want to play hide and seek with me?
iron now.
Wow. And you point to the
Here's that bag. If you're wondering, there's a brand in the front. Because why not? Yeah, no. I did. Now we have a comp. No, I have done it because it wasn't needed.
That's fine, I told you.
Then we're gonna close the shoulders.
Before the night, shadow don't need to do much. I was thinking one I'm a one girl, promise me don't touch your dad. What a street that shit, I can say what is that, I can't describe that. I mean, how can I think so? I do not give you the street fight. You been jangling on top of the way back. We do not have to sleep that. We like, yeah. I tryna go find that play without you find out in that room. You don't know what is that. That's fun, I'm a told you.
I always ask myself, baby, don't know how to find true love. The detail in my life left out, cause I'm a dove.
I'm gonna iron this zipper and I'm gonna be right back. Okay. That's what we want. Okay, I'm gonna be back. I did the zipper, put the zipper, close the flap, have a slit. Okay, let me try it on. It's still tight from here, but we're not gonna cut out, we're gonna fix it, okay? So. since I'm already here, I'm gonna mark this area because I'm gonna do some sewing in here, so it will be like this. Two. I sewed the liner, but I sewed one the right side, the other one the wrong side. I'm not gonna change it. I'm not gonna fix it because it's gonna be inside anyways. I'm sick of this dress. I'm tired. I'm gonna sew them, okay? Make the bubbles and then the bubbles all over the place. And this is the only way I can keep them away from me because I don't want to the whole. And I mean, yeah, I love that. Right, so anyway, it's all good. Get down here. Get down here. Get down here. Come back here. Fuck myself. Okay, so then we're gonna sew them, and after that we're gonna do the sleeves. All right, and I'll be back. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna fix the waist and we're gonna be done. Make it stick like that, you see. It's like very, because the fabric is like very slippery, so I used adhesive. It's like double-sided adhesive, fabric adhesive, to make it stick together and not like be wobbly. Okay, close the sleeves, and then I'm gonna come back to attach them to the dress. Texas Bama. ليه بكبوهم في النيل؟ This is gonna be the sleeve band. Gonna put it in very short sleeves. After when I finish sewing.
I've never seen her was crying to me. And she said that broke my heart. And such. One of these, some people that I know have ADHD.
Iron it, and then I'll be back.
What is the change?
Okay, I'm gonna just pin them to the shirt. Oh my gosh. One's there. This match the sewing at the bottom. This is gonna be flat inside, and I make it to the middle of the top and then the circles. This fabric is so hard to work with, but super hard. Take it to the sewing machine and then I'll be back to show you the result. Finally, I think that will do the waist, so I decided to do it like with elastic. So I'm gonna do like half, like Looks good. It looks like.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. She was magic just touching me, tricky, tricky, tricky. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easy, baby. The only reason that I can go tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. The only reason that the buses can buy.
I don't like the lens of the lining, so I'm gonna wear it with something else underneath it because it's barely covering my butt. But yeah, that's what we end up with. Hope you like it. I'm gonna take this off.